which platform is good, online classes or offline classes?
I personally believe that if I talk about the online and the offline classes, then I choose offline classes, because in offline classes we people have the good command on our education, and we people have the good discipline also as compared to online classes.
Yes, you are completely right. I also believe that online classes is not good, offline classes is good, because in online classes many students are there, they will tell that I'm taking the classes, but actually they are playing the game and they just bunk their classes. So I think online classes is not good, offline classes is good.
Yes, he is saying right that there are so many students who bunk their own classes, and even they do not go for the proper education, and even they always play PUBG like this, because and if I talk about the offline classes, they have the proper class in their own, and even they study with their friends also. It means they do not have to bunk their classes in offline.
Yes, you are right. And in online classes, many students are there. They are at home and they are taking the classes. But in offline classes, they will get ready. They will wear uniform and all. They are they are in discipline. And in offline classes.
And even in offline classes also, if they speak together, it means they are learning something from the teachers also. Because in online classes also, actually they misbehave to all the teachers in the class. But in offline classes, we people have the separate rules and regulations in offline classes.
Okay, so I will talk to you later because I have to purchase some vegetables.
Okay. Should I come with you?
Yes, of course. Why not?
Okay, fine. Nice to meet you.
Okay.